We have a new letter this week. You want to give it a guess? Guess. It's G, and it makes the G sound like guess. Or, my friend over here, the goat. Let's read the G, the G, the G book. The letter G. G is for growing a garden of good food. G is for garden gate. G is for girls. How many girls are there? 1, 2. Good for you. That rhymed. G is for games. G is for girls playing games. How many girls are there? 2. Good for you. G is for garden, with a gate to go in and girls playing games. They all get to win. This week we're going to explore that letter G. Actually, the sound, it makes G. Thanks so much. See you soon.